What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Kdotcouture, and today I am bringing to you yet another hair video. So if you guys are interested in seeing the details of this wig, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so getting right into it. This wig is from MSLYNN HAIR. This is what the box looks like. It is so cute. This is what it looks like when you open up the box. You have your wig inside as well as your goodies. For the goodies, we have this cute little edge brush. It's the first kind like this that I've ever seen, and this little elastic band and some lashes. This is what the wig looks like. Of course, we have a bald cap, well, wig caps in there, and then this is what our wig is looking like. Of course, it comes nice and soft and silky. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. We have 4 combs, 2 on each side, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and that is what the lace looks like. So I have already put on my bald cap. I'm just cutting the ears out, and then I'm going to be doing 2 layers of Got To Be spray. I'm not going to show that part because I literally do it in every single video, so it's like so redundant. Alright, so here's what it looks like now that it's dry, guys. Please do not mind my face. You guys, I'm going to record a video about this, but I got a chemical peel and it completely burned my face. Like, my skin was so nice, and I was just like, I'm gonna do something extra, so I went and got the chemical peel, and it literally burn my skin. So that's what these marks are on my skin, and I'm just working on getting them off. So sad. Anyway, so right here I'm just cutting off all that excess cap. You just want to pull it back a little bit and cut, pull it back and cut. My camera was pretty much going in and out of focus, which was weird, but yeah, you guys get it. This part is just so simple. So now I'm just taking my makeup brush and putting that all over the cap, just to blend that in. And then for glue, I am using, what glue did I use? Ghost Bond? Yeah, I used, wait, no, that's Bold Hold. I'm sorry. I used Bold Hold for my glue today, and I'm just going to be using 2 thin layers of Bold Hold. That is it. So now I am just putting that wig on. I'm just moving it forward. This wig was so snug. Like, oh my gosh, it was so snug. It was actually kind of hard to put it on without ripping the lace. I have a big head. I think that this was a size small. I'm really not sure what size this wig cap was, but if you guys have a larger head, definitely make sure you guys are being careful when you're installing that wig. Make sure you guys aren't pulling from the end of the lace. Make sure you get closer to the hair so that you guys are not ripping the lace, okay? So right now I'm just pressing my comb into the wig, into the glue, you know, just getting that together. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the elastic band they sent me, and I'm going to tie this down. Once I tie it down, I'm going to blow dry over top of it. I'm not gonna lie, I love when companies send me elastic bands. Like, that's my favorite thing to get inside the box, other than like clips and like paddle brushes, because paddle brushes, they always end up being burnt, and these always end up getting dirty, you know, just with glue and stuff. So I absolutely love that they send these in the mail. Alright, so now I'm going to take off my elastic band, and then I'm going to put makeup all over my hairline. As you guys can see, this is not an HD lace. However, the lace is definitely disappearing. Like, definitely. If I put some baby hairs on this bad boy, it would literally be nothing. But yeah, I don't want baby hairs today. I just want to do minimal baby hairs. So yeah, I went and beat my face, and we're going to do a side part today. We're going to do a side part with some nice bomb curls. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I would fast forward this part a lot, but I really want to show it because it just shows like how long it takes to actually like mold your hair down and stuff like that. I feel like some videos is just like looks like it takes 10 seconds. Like, it doesn't take 10 seconds. So alright, so I went and changed my shirt just because I felt like that black was just like blended in with the hair, and I didn't like how it looked. So I went and changed my shirt, and now I am just putting some curls in my hair. I'm using the Conair U curler. This is the curling, or the curling wand that I use all the time, literally all the time. So yeah, I'm just putting some curls in my hair. I'm curling them away from my face. I'm not even parting it any particular way, any particular spacing, nothing like that. Just putting some curls in there, and then I'm going to use a fairly wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to comb those backwards once I'm done curling, like so, as you guys can see, like that. And then we're going to get started on the other side. I really appreciate a wig that can hold curls, because some wigs literally just don't hold curls. Like, I don't know like what it is, like some wigs just don't hold curls. So this is a wig that definitely knows how to hold a curl. So I was very appreciative of that, because my curls came out so freaking bomb. They were so cute. You guys are going to see in a second. They're so cute. Alright, so this is the final result, you guys. I absolutely love it. The curls came out so nice. The hair knows how to hold a curl. I did not experience any tangling or shedding. It is thick all the way to the end. Like, I have zero complaints. The lace was nice. Like I said, it's not HD, but it wasn't, you know, bad. So that's good. I'm going to leave all the information for this wig in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, comment below, let me know what you liked or didn't like. Follow me on Instagram at Kdotcouture. And that's about it, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.